In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily delete an invoice on Stripe in just 5 minutes. If you've ever ventured into the world of online payments or run a business, you're probably familiar with Stripe, one of the most popular platforms for processing transactions. Today we're going to walk through the process of managing your invoices, specifically how to void them, given that Stripe doesn't provide a direct delete option once an invoice is finalized. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Stripe's official website. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look for the Sign In option, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. If you're not already signed in, you'll need your email and your password handy to access your account. Take a moment to enter your credentials and then click on Sign In to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your finances. From here, head over to the Home section. It's located in the navigation menu, typically on the left side of your screen. Once you're on the home page, look for the Billing section. This is where all your invoices and payment settings are managed. Once you find it, click on Billing. Within the Billing section, navigate to the Invoices tab. This tab lists all your created, sent, and finalized invoices. At this point, it's crucial to understand that Stripe doesn't allow you to delete an invoice once it has been finalized. But don't worry, we have a workaround to handle invoices that you no longer wish to keep around. What you'll want to do here is find the specific invoice you need to address. Once you've located the invoice in question, to the far right of its entry, you'll spot 3 little dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see an option labelled Change Invoice Status. Give that option a click. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Void option among the status choices. Selecting Void tells Stripe that the invoice is no longer valid. Think of it as marking the invoice as cancelled, which helps ensure it won't mistakenly be collected from your customers. Once you've selected Void, you'll want to confirm this action. Go ahead and click on Update Status to finalize everything, and there you have it. Although the invoice isn't technically deleted from Stripe, voiding it effectively removes it from active workflows and makes it clear that the invoice should be disregarded for future billing processes. This approach is a handy way to manage your invoices efficiently and keep your Stripe account tidy. Thank you for tuning in today. Happy billing.